Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Panamera door handle. First, locate the small plastic cap on the edge of the door handle. Carefully use a plastic pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver to remove this cap. Be gentle to avoid scratching the paint. Behind this cap, you will typically find a Torx screw, often a T20 or T30, which is the first step in releasing the handle mechanism. Once the cap is off, use your Torx screwdriver to loosen the screw you've exposed. For certain Panamera models, instead of a screw, you might need a pick tool to reach inside the opening and pull a small internal lever towards you. This action unlocks the handle's rear section. After releasing, gently pull the exterior handle out a few millimeters to disengage it. With the rear portion released, you can now slide the main body of the door handle towards the rear of the vehicle. Once it moves freely, carefully pull the entire handle assembly straight out from the door. If your Panamera has keyless entry or other electronic features, there will be one or more electrical connectors attached. Gently disconnect these by pinching the clips and pulling them apart. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all electrical connections are firmly reattached. A crucial tip is to make sure the internal locking mechanism is in the correct, unlocked position before attempting to slide the handle back into place. Once the handle is secured, test its operation and the door's locking function several times to confirm everything works correctly before fully tightening the Torx screw and replacing the cap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.